How to make slow motion reels on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to make slow motion reels on Instagram in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To create a slow motion reel, open the Instagram app. Once the app is opened, tap on the plus icon at the bottom to start a new post. Then tap on the camera icon to record a new video, or select an existing video from your gallery. If you're recording a new video, look for the speed icon 1x. You'll see different speed options. Choose 0.3x or 0.5x to record in slow motion. Then start recording your reel at the selected speed. If you've already recorded a video and want to slow it down, you can use Instagram's built-in editing tools to adjust the speed before uploading it. Once you're satisfied with your slow motion video, tap Next, then add effects, music, or text to make it more engaging. Finally, tap Share to post your reel. And that's it! Your slow motion reel is now live. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.